This video is brought to you by Pattern Master, The Science of Shot, GoPro, Be a Hero, Greenhead Gear, Avian X, and Hardcore Brands.
I'm Colin Weissnick, pretty good friends with the Spoelstras. They found a field of geese. They asked us to go hunting that morning. We got out there. There wasn't as much cover as we'd like, so we went around the edges and gathered corn that the farmer missed. It was a really foggy morning. The geese really didn't like the decoy spread, so we switched it up to a wider U. The next flocks came right in. It took us a while to get our limit, but eventually we got it, and it was overall a good hunt.
Ready on this path, boy. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Yep. Ready? Yep. Shoot! Good boy! Oh, fucking shoot him! I ain't got nothing.
So that morning the geese hunting was a little bit slow, so I decided to take Trevor's filming equipment and film a bunch of stuff and take a bunch of pictures, and ended up maxing out the memory card. So unfortunately we didn't get as much film as what we like.